Hi guys, today we gonna learn how to make it on designing trivial self-centering laptops. So let's make it and let's follow my animation. Okay, for this trivial self-centering laptops. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so first we have to create a file and new and use a hybrid design, okay, and click new, and let's make it a sketch on this bottom plane and make it a center diameters or circle, make it about 125. Actually, this is my own measurement, okay. If you have your own, you can follow your own dimension, okay, like that. And then let's start create a circle again, make it 30. Okay, finish, and just extrude. Yeah, just stand, this okay, and then press L and make it sketch like this, and then make it a center triangle from the center. You have to find the center point, okay, until you find the triangle symbol, okay. Start from here, make it this one is 65 and this one is 25. That's the enter, and let's finish this, okay. Okay, so let's extrude this one, and this one, and just use new components and make it with direction is to sides and down about 5 and up about 25, okay, and just enter like that. I'm going from pattern, okay. So let's make it a sketch right here. You click this face and press L, and then make it right here is about 15 down 7.5, 15 and 7.5, then 7.5. Okay, to the left, 15, and now 7.5. And the last one, we have just do it like this. Okay, finish stage. Okay, and you can get rid of this one like that. Okay, I forgot I have to make it visually to the components, okay. Right click, okay, make it form to the component, okay. Okay, like that. So, and the next one, we have to pair up pattern with a circle pattern. Click this stick or this fixture and make it 3. Simple, easy. Okay, like that. So I'm gonna start it, make it about, yeah, maybe -5, like that. -5. Like that. Okay, that easy. So let's start with sketch right here. Plug it in, like that. Then you have to find the center. Alright. You make it a line from here, okay? Okay. And right there. Center rectangle from the center point. And one and one is 35. Okay. Let's shoot. Okay, before you get shoot, you have to make it a pattern, okay? I will make it a little circular pattern. I click that rectangle and the select center point. I click this one and I make it a pattern is 3, okay? And sketch and just extrude down or cut it. Okay. -5, I think is enough. Can I fit? So next we're going to do with the fillet like that, one and then fillet. Also this one, this one, and this one also. Make it one, this automatically fillet water because I pattern it nice. And then make it some hole like that. The center, make it a 3, and extrude down like that, and also right here. Make it and press out. Center, point, and circle 3 diameters. Cut it about -5, and also this one right here. Like that. Center 3 for the diameters. Minus to cut it. 5. In the last one also. Find the center. Like that, and circle. Okay. 3 diameters, and that is -5. Okay guys, simply and easy to make it to create the self-centering like text, okay? So I can use modify with random flag. Okay, make it right here. Okay, just click and press L and make it some circle about 15 and finish. I shoot one and turn on the stage. I will apply it to the depth like that, and in this delay, put it on. Okay, that's simple and easy. So let's make it the physical materials. Actually, this material is the metal. Let's do it, make it a skills, okay? For the freedom self-centering lectures. I'm gonna make it still high strength, still mild. Yeah, still this line. Okay, like that. And just make it the appearance. I wanna use Let's do metals and aluminum or bronze. Oh, chrome. Chrome or appearance. Okay. What has simplification to make it print out cells centering my charts. You can follow my single measurement. But if you have your own machine, it's up to you guys. I'll show you the prototype or the sample okay for you. So yeah, thank you.